Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Jeep Hard Top Hoist is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Jeep owner who frequently removes their hardtop, offering a safe, convenient, and space-saving solution to a common problem. Imagine effortlessly lifting and storing your Jeep's hardtop without the struggle of manual lifting or the need for extra garage space, all while protecting your investment from scratches and damage. This innovative system transforms a physically demanding task into a simple, one-person operation, giving you back precious time and energy. Number 5. RollnJack Hard Top Remover Lift. Introducing the revolutionary RollnJack, designed to make removing your Jeep's hardtop easier than ever. It's a patented, one-person system that allows for quick and simple operation. This lift is compatible with a wide range of Jeep models from 1997 to present, including JK, JKU, JL, JLU, TJ, and CJ. It now also works with the 4-door Bronco, accommodating lifted vehicles with ease. Whether your vehicle is stock or significantly lifted, this system is fully adjustable. Its height can be modified from 65 to 86 inches to perfectly suit your needs. Forget complicated hoists or needing extra help. This is the most efficient model on the market, designed for effortless one-person use. You can remove your hardtop in just minutes. Assembly and disassembly are a breeze thanks to the included quick-turn knobs, saving you valuable time. Plus, you can park your vehicle directly underneath it, utilizing your garage space efficiently and keeping your hardtop securely stored. What we like. This system is designed for ultimate efficiency. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to remove your hardtop by yourself, this is the one. It's perfect for those who frequently switch between hardtop and soft top configurations. What people say. This hoist system is designed to make removing and storing your Jeep hardtop a breeze. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability and safety when lifting your hardtop. Installation is straightforward and can be done by one person, saving you time and effort. Number 4. HARKEN Jeep and Bronco Hardtop Storage Hoist. Introducing the HARKEN Hardtop Hoist, designed to make storing your vehicle's hardtop simple and safe. It's perfect for organizing your garage space. This hoist is designed to work with virtually any vehicle hardtop, including popular models like the Jeep Wrangler, Gladiator, and Ford Bronco. Keep your garage tidy with ease. Our patented anti-drop system ensures maximum safety, preventing accidental releases. It lifts your load evenly and allows for storage against the ceiling, maximizing your garage clearance. You can now remove or install your hardtop in minutes, all by yourself. The clever pulley system requires minimal force, making the process incredibly easy. We've included bonus T-knobs for quick and tool-free hardtop removal, especially convenient for Jeep models. Installation is a breeze. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel and durable rope, this hoist is built for longevity. It's proudly made in the USA and backed by a 5-year warranty. What we like. Safety and reliability are paramount with this hoist. If you prioritize a secure lifting mechanism with built-in safeguards against accidental drops, this is an excellent choice. Its self-leveling feature ensures even weight distribution, making it ideal for all types of hardtops. What people say. This hoist system is a game-changer for removing and storing my Jeep hardtop. The design is well thought out, making the process surprisingly easy and safe. It securely holds the hardtop, giving me peace of mind during storage. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler JL/JT Center Console Organizer 4-Piece Kit. Designed specifically for your 2018 to 2023 Jeep Wrangler JL, JLU and Gladiator JT. This kit ensures a perfect fit, keeping your essentials organized without compromising your vehicle's design. Our upgraded design prioritizes your safety. Unlike other organizers, these accessories will never block your airbags, providing peace of mind while you drive. Crafted with high-quality materials, these organizers are built to last. They are pressure-resistant, wear-resistant, and scratch-resistant, ensuring they stay in place and maintain their integrity for years to come. This comprehensive 4-piece kit includes everything you need: a gear shift console side tray, a main center console organizer, a hanging box, and a passenger grab tray. Keep your car tidy and everything within reach. Easily store your phone, wallet, keys, sunglasses, and other small items. These organizers help maintain a clean and clutter-free interior, making a big difference in your daily drive. Utilizing advanced 3D scanning technology, these accessories offer a seamless, one-piece injection molded fit. We stand by our quality with a 24-month after-sales service for any issues. What we like. This is not a hoist, but an interior organizer. If you're looking to maximize your Jeep's interior space and keep small items organized, this combo kit is for you. It's specifically designed for JLJLU-JT models and ensures no interference with safety features like airbags. What people say. The hoist system is designed to lift and store your Jeep hardtop with ease, making it a convenient solution for removing and reinstalling the top. It features a durable construction with heavy-duty straps and pulleys, ensuring a secure and stable lifting process. The system is engineered for a smooth operation, allowing you to effortlessly raise or lower the hardtop without straining yourself. Number 2. TopLift Pro's 2.0 Hardtop Removal and Storage System. Struggling to remove your Jeep or Bronco hardtop? The TopLift Pro's 2.0 is here to help. It's designed to make the process simple and convenient. This system works with all Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco models, including 2- and 4-door versions. It's even adjustable for lifted suspensions and different wheel combinations. Worried about garage space? Our innovative design allows you to easily roll the hardtop under the cargo area, fitting even in compact spaces like storage units and tight garages. With its patented internal design, it secures your hardtop safely without any cosmetic damage. You can trust it to protect your top without stress. Forget about installation costs or permanent mounting. This flexible solution is cost-effective and can even be taken with you on vacation for ultimate freedom. Whether you remove your hardtop weekly or daily, we make it easy. Experience your Jeep or Bronco like never before with this convenient system. What we like. This advanced system offers a unique internal lifting solution. If you have limited garage space or low ceilings, this is a great option as it stores the hardtop internally and requires no permanent mounting. It's ideal for those who need a flexible and discreet storage solution. What people say. This hoist system is a game changer for removing and storing my Jeep hardtop. It makes the process so much easier and safer. The design is very well thought out. The pulleys and straps are heavy-duty and distribute the weight evenly, preventing any damage to the top. I was able to install it by myself in about an hour. The instructions were clear and all the necessary hardware was included. Number 1. Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator Door Storage Rack. This storage rack is specifically designed to fit all Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator models from 1987 to 2023. It's the perfect solution for keeping your doors organized. Maximize your garage or storage area with its vertical design. It also features soft touch protection to prevent any damage to your doors. Equipped with detachable casters, you can easily move it around. The wheels can also be locked in place for stability, thanks to high-quality welding. Constructed with a textured black powder coating and laser welding, it's built to resist rust. The precision fit ensures it works seamlessly with your vehicle. This versatile rack is compatible with all 1987 to 2023 Jeep Gladiator JT and Wrangler models, including 2- and 4-door versions. Keep your doors secure and accessible. What we like. This product focuses on storing your doors, not the hardtop. If you're tired of finding space for your Jeep doors when they're moved, this rack is the solution. Its vertical design saves significant space, and the detachable casters make it easy to move and position. What people say. The hoist system is well designed and makes it easy to remove and store the Jeep hardtop. Installation was straightforward, and the unit feels sturdy and reliable for lifting the hardtop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.